Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on an Audi A4. First, park your vehicle on a flat surface, about 25 feet from a wall. This distance is crucial for accurate alignment. Next, confirm your tire pressure is set to the manufacturer's recommended specifications, as incorrect pressure can affect headlight aim. Finally, identify the adjustment screws on each headlight assembly, usually found near the top or back of the light housing. These are what you'll be turning. Now, let's prepare your aiming target. Measure the exact height from the ground to the center of your Audi A4's headlight bulbs. Transfer this measurement to the wall, marking a horizontal line with tape. This line represents the ideal beam height. Then, measure the distance between the centers of your two headlights. Use this measurement to place two vertical tape lines on the wall, aligning with each headlight center. These marks will guide your adjustments. With your marks in place, it's time to adjust. Turn on your Audi A4's low beams and observe the light pattern on the wall. You'll see a distinct cutoff line. Use a screwdriver to turn the vertical adjustment screw, raising or lowering the beam until its top edge aligns with your horizontal tape line. Then, use the horizontal adjustment screw to center the beam with its corresponding vertical line. Repeat these steps for the other headlight, ensuring both are properly aimed. After adjusting both headlights, take a moment to double-check their alignment and symmetry on the wall. Ensure the cutoff lines are even and that the beams don't appear to be pointing too high, which could blind oncoming drivers. A properly aimed headlight system significantly improves nighttime visibility and safety. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, take your Audi A4 for a short test drive to confirm the adjustments feel right and provide optimal illumination on the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.